All right, you've seen those AI rabbi videos everywhere, right? Let's break down the blueprint.
So while you're just scrolling past, the creators are apparently printing straight cash.
This guide calls them a glitch in the algorithm. It's basically a calculated hack.
So how do they pump these out so fast? It's a dead simple 3-step build.
It's all about the visuals, the voice, and then the animation. That's it.
First up, the visuals. They generate a hyper-realistic character with a simple AI prompt.
Step 2 is the voice. You need that deep, wise sound to make people stop scrolling.
And finally, step 3, animation. They stitch the image and voice together using HeyGen.
Okay, so the AI part is easy, but what's the real secret sauce? It's the script.
This is where it gets crazy. The whole strategy is a controversy engine built for engagement.
The blueprint says to ask super provocative questions, specifically about finance and wealth.
The goal? To get people arguing in the comments. It drives insane, uncontrollable engagement.
All right, so you've got the viral views, but how does that turn into actual money?
According to the blueprint, the goal is a wild $10,000 in just 1 month.
And they do it by selling a simple digital product for like $35.
When you're getting millions of views, you only need to make about 10 sales a day.
So that's the blueprint. Super easy AI plus intentionally controversial scripts to go viral.
It's a simple, repeatable formula. AI characters, controversial scripts, and easy monetization.
Which really makes you wonder, is just stirring up controversy the ultimate algorithm hack?